Apple Intelligence is coming to compatible devices in iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1, and macOS Sequoia 15.1. Before that happens, Apple will first release its major new OS versions following the iPhone 16 introduction. iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia are expected to release in mid to late September, bringing a host of new features and changes, but no Apple Intelligence. The initial Apple Intelligence features will be released in updates to those operating systems about a month later. Fortunately, Apple's history provides us a good idea of when to expect iOS 18.1. Here is Apple's most recent timeframe for X1 software updates. iOS 17.1, October 25th. iOS 16.1, October 24th. iOS 15.1, October 25th. The pattern is really evident. If Apple sticks to history, iOS 18.1 will be released toward the end of October, along with Apple Intelligence. October 25 is unlikely to be the precise day this year because it is a Friday. Apple typically does not release major software updates on Fridays. More probable, Apple will target October 23rd or 24, or perhaps Monday, October 28th. In any event, given previous year's trends, a debut by the end of October appears extremely likely. Only a subset of Apple Intelligence's functions will be available when it launches in late October. The iOS 18.1 beta currently includes the following AI features. The new Siri has a subset of its AI skills. Writing tools, such as proofreading and rewriting memory movie generation and photos. Smart replies in apps like Messages and Mail. Intelligent summary of notifications. Page summaries in Safari. Priority messages in the mail. Natural language. Search in photos. More AI functions may appear in future betas of iOS 18.1, but for the time being, this is all that is available. This raises a lot of questions about other AI characteristics. Apple's ChatGPT integration is scheduled to arrive in iOS 18.2 in December. Image-generating programs such as Genmoji and Image Playground are largely unknown. They may make it into 18.1, get moved to 18.2, or even later. Several additional Siri skills won't be available until 2025. Soon after, it will be time for WWDC 2025. That event will surely include announcements about all new Apple Intelligence features coming in iOS 19. Not all devices that can run iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1, or macOS Sequoia 15.1 will receive Apple Intelligence. Due to the high amount of CPU power required to execute AI capabilities, Apple Intelligence is limited to a small number of contemporary devices. This includes compatible devices include iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, iPads with M1 chip or later, and Macs with M1 chip or later. All iPhone 16 models, including the Basic and 16 Plus, are expected to enable Apple Intelligence.